Can a high red blood cell count be prevented?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether a high red blood cell count can be prevented. Red blood cells play a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout our body, so it's important to maintain a healthy balance. Let's dive in and find out more.
What causes a high red blood cell count?
To understand how to prevent a high red blood cell count, it's essential to know what causes it in the first place. Primary causes of a high red blood cell count include conditions like polycythemia vera, which is a rare blood disorder that leads to an overproduction of red blood cells. Secondary causes may include chronic lung diseases, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or congenital heart disease, which can result in inadequate oxygenation and stimulate the production of more red blood cells.
Healthy lifestyle habits.
While some causes of a high red blood cell count may be beyond our control, there are several lifestyle habits we can adopt to help prevent it. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to keeping our red blood cell count in check. Here are some tips. 2.1 Staying hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential to prevent dehydration, which can lead to a higher red blood cell count. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to stay properly hydrated. 2.2 Balanced diet. Eating a well-balanced diet rich in nutrients is crucial. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. Certain foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, and legumes provide important vitamins and minerals that support healthy blood cell production. 2.3 Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical exercise has numerous health benefits, including helping to maintain a healthy red blood cell count. Exercise improves oxygen circulation, which can help regulate the production of red blood cells.
Medical intervention.
In cases where a high red blood cell count is caused by an underlying medical condition, medical intervention may be necessary. If you suspect that you have an abnormal red blood cell count, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. They can conduct diagnostic tests and recommend appropriate treatment options based on the underlying cause. In conclusion, while we may not have full control over preventing a high red blood cell count caused by certain medical conditions, adopting a healthy lifestyle can certainly help maintain a healthy balance. Remember to stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and engage in regular exercise. If you suspect any abnormalities, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional for further guidance. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.